Hi, welcome to my channel about embedded systems, fischertechnik and robotics. This video is focused on my walking robot Mirft2, made of fischertechnik and based on the TXT controller, which is as yet powered off. 2 battery packs, 2 front sensors and a USB camera. Last time I intended to focus on the camera, but the walking, or rather not quite walking, interfered with that. So now I'm hoping that the walking will be as nice as I had hoped, and focusing on imaging and detection with the front sensors. So let's power up and see how far we get this time. So this time the power up went smoothly. Now let's see if things go quite according to plan, which means a change to screencast. So screencast, and as you can see, and if you have seen my videos on this topic before, then this is the source code. In this terminal I run the code. Obviously both terminals are actually on the controller, on the TXT controller, RoboPro, and I've already put the connection to the correct email address, IP address I should say. I have a nice connection this time, and there are 9 volts, that's more than fine for now. And this terminal is for displaying any sent image from the camera. Anyway, enough talking, let's make a run, and let's hope that the data file gets correctly filled up, because that was also a problem last time. Anyway, go. Alright, so now that was not exactly a smooth ride. Let's get a view at the data. So here no front sensors, some walking, and already, and while you have clearly seen that the front sensors were actually touched. So now I do have a little bit of a different view than you do via the camera, so let me reposition the camera a bit and do the running again, and hopefully then here it will say that the front sensors actually were hit. Yeah, of course the pictures speak for themselves. Not very sharp focused, but the result is okay. Red is filtered in, the rest is filtered out, as should be. Time for another run then. Oh, by the way, you can see that these voltages are not the real voltages. So why am I still measuring them? Don't know, but I'll keep them in. So at least that was a nice ride with at least one sensor detected. And the point is how to go on with this. Have it a longer ride, and there is a little bit of a problem, of course. How much does it counter? Does it count anyway? So let's go to set distance. I can easily add 1000 to it and see whatever happens, because last time also, and that was a point that I nearly forgot, I had synchronized the motors, and that caused a very big problem of it not working, and not until the end did it last that I found it out. So no synchronization as far as that is concerned, but I can of course increase the walking distance and see how far that goes. So I am increasing by 1000, put it a bit backwards and see whatever happens then. So the cloth is going to stay where it is, putting a little bit backwards, and let's go again. So first a ride with a large well, deviation to the left, and then a nicer ride. But let's also check if this one, so this one is actually touching something, and yes, it actually does. So that's reassuring that it's actually a hit, which also demonstrates the fact that although here, let's see, everything goes into movement with let's see, where does it actually register the sensors? Let's check. Right here. A lot of times it does not register it. So I think it is worthwhile if I put this in a different statement or in a separate function, which makes it call quite a bit. Otherwise my data, my code gets cluttered quite a bit. And then this can happen much more often with clean code. So let me figure out how I can reach that. But a longer ride can be nice, although the deviation to the left will always be there, I think. I have now put or created a new definition, a new function, sensor action, and I've put everything about the sensors right in there. So with the old code, it's now sensor action and camera action after another. So now, without cluttering the code, I can put sensor action anywhere I like, and then get much better results. Would that be a solution to my front sensorization? Sure, except for when I have some camera action, I think. But let me just test first how this is going to work, and then put sensor action anywhere else. So shrink the window, or terminal actually, put the camera, put the robot back in position, and see whatever happens. Alright, so a big deviation, but also a missing fischertechnik screw. So let's mount that and see if that is or has been an influence on things. And I will add another sensor entry. First, let's put this one here and secure everything. Here everything is still alright, So that's good. And in the code, what would be a nice place to put it anyway? Let's put it here. And here's another one. Here I give, by the way, all things about speed. So the real thing is actually here somewhere. Yeah, it happens here. Motor res, the right side. Better be here somewhere. Motor res, motor links. It's counters. I'll do it here as well. And right here. See whatever difference it makes. Let's check the voltages. 8.6 seems good to me. Let's go again. And obviously in this last attempt it was clear that in the original setting there was no registration of the front sensors. This is extra, so no sensors detected. And right here it detected it, and right here, because of the movement of the robot, the walking, it did not detect it. So yeah, the detection does work, definitely. Now for the images, what does that tell me? A very nice image actually, and not so nice. No, I'm not happy with this one, but overall not bad. And that's it for now. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please do subscribe to my channel, give the video a thumbs up, click the bell for notification. Please leave a comment or suggestion, very much appreciated. You can also follow me via Twitter and Instagram, and you can support via PayPal, Ko-fi, and by becoming a patron for as little as €2 or $2 a month. Please check out my Patreon page, my Ko-fi page. Also my website with also other fischertechnik projects and embedded systems projects. This is going to be continued. So for now, have a great day, stay safe, take care, bye.